good? What's going on YouTube? It's been a long time. I'm so sorry, guys. I just been off the radar. I know y'all like, damn, Aries, what's up? Like, y'all don't love us no more. You don't care. You don't want to be with us. And it's not that. It's not. It's a lot that's been going on. And I'm going to update you guys and let you guys know what's been going on in my life. And I'm going to take you on this new journey I'm going on. The kid is about to go. Ooh, you see this? You see this monstrosity on top of my head? Yep, it's about to go get done in a few minutes. I'm about to go and do, I guess if you want to call it the big chop, you can. I wouldn't really call it the big chop because my hair has been cut before. So it's not like something that I'm like, but I am cutting it off again. And I'm going to keep it cut off. And if somebody don't like it cut off, oh well, too bad. They can the long way. So yeah, I'm gonna get it cut off, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. I got a little shopping to do, nothing heavy, nothing major. You know, chicks still be on the budget. And I'm probably gonna do a mukbang in my car. And that's when I'm going to update you guys on what the hell has been going on. So, stay tuned. Sit back and relax. Shouldn't be too long of a video, but I'm going to try to keep you up on what's been up. Alright, love you guys. Catch you in a minute. Mwah. What's going on? What's good? Back in the motherfucking place, y'all. I am going to be eating me some Walmart food. Now, I honestly kind of was going to stop shopping at Walmart after I was looking at Lily and Grams and I saw what happened to Grams. But there's nothing else in my area. So, unfortunately for me, there's nothing in my area and it's convenient. So, and I don't drive like that. Something that's going to change though. So, yeah, so I had to come to the Walmart. Oh, hair is cut off, people. It's done. It's a wrap. It's a wrap of a tap tap. That is done. Hair is gone. Don't like it? Too bad. Because I will be rocking this for quite some time. Now, what I got me was some orange chicken, some macaroni and cheese, an egg roll, and some potato wedges. And got me my little icy. I'm trying something new. This is coconut pineapple. I like coconut and I love pineapple, so we're gonna see. Now, like I said, I'm gonna try not to make this, oh shoot, people, super duper long. Cause it's like I've just been seeing so much on YouTube that I could talk about, but I'm not going to talk about. Hold on, people. I pray. Okay. But I'm going to tell you what's going on in my life. I started a new job. I started a new job. And I started school. Right now I'm in math and it's killing me. I hate math. I'm not supposed to hate anything, but I hate math. And still taking my meds. Keeping on top of that. Don't fuck around and kill nobody. Well, I have 2 jobs. when I go to school. Definitely a little bit more stressful, but I said I gotta start trying to make my dreams come true. Ain't nobody do it for me, I gotta do it, so. I'm doing it. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys along on the ride. And just see where this journey takes me. There gonna be days I wanna give up. I'm not. You just don't want to. Everything else in my life is pretty much the same. No significant other, none of that. Which I'm actually okay with. I decided, unless it just hits me hard as hell, I'm not gonna date until after I finish school. Because I'm not gonna have the time to devote, you know, to a relationship. I've been watching YouTube, I just haven't been active on YouTube as far as me posting. But Happy New Year. Welcome to all my old subscribers. Welcome to the new subscribers. Like I said, I'm your girl Aries. Take you along for the ride. I don't know. I don't have a lot to talk about. I just wanted to give you an update. Eat because I'm hungry. But honey, let me tell y'all, I have been saying this Diamond Christmas game. I thought we was living that in 2018. Every time I look up, it's something about Chrissy and her girl. But y'all don't like Chrissy. I'm like, then why keep posting her, making her relevant? Why lurk on her page? I read some of the comments, I was like, y'all rude. Out here in this world, y'all are rude. Y'all are rude. Like, girl be looking at her comments like I would just cut somebody out. She good. I done been cussed y'all out. Like, why the fuck are you here? But, baby, I don't have to leave poor little Christian alone, let her live her life. But honey, I see Damo living her best life. I say, look at her. I'm not gonna lie, because I primarily looked at Damo as a stub. I had to get used to the girly thing, but she looks good. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to speak on it, because that's their business. But I'm happy for both of them if they happy. But it was just killing me how much relevancy Christians get for everybody to kind of sort of hate her. I'm like, but she's still relevant. And we're making her relevant. I don't hate her. I don't have nothing against her. I feel like her attitude is a little stank sometimes. But maybe her attitude was always thinking we just didn't pay it no attention because we liked her and Damo together so much. I don't know. But guys, like I said, I am in school. I have a new job, so now I have 2 jobs. One of my jobs, I don't work full time though, so that's good. I kind of choose when I want to work it. But that helps because extra money, extra things to do. You know how that goes. As you can see, hair is cut off, and I'm going to keep it like this because I'm not feeling like that. Eyebrows on fleek because I just got them done. I'm gonna start taking, I say, better care of myself. Excuse me. I am going to, not a diet, but a lifestyle change. The fast food is out, excuse me. I'm going to cut down on the amount of chicken I eat. I'm not going to say I'm going to stop eating it completely because I love chicken. But I'm going to cut down on the amount and definitely eat more fish and, you know, seafood. Definitely vegetables, fruits, all of that. More of a kind of vegetarian lifestyle. But with me, there will be no milk or dairy because my body, my stomach just can't handle it. But that's pretty much it. Just living my best life, trying to do what I can do for myself and keep it moving. So I wanted to update you guys. I wanted to pop in, let you know I'm still here. I'm still breathing. I'm still kicking. I'm still going. And I did not forget about you guys. And I do love you so much. And this will be getting better, I promise. I can't say, oh, it's going to be every day. It's not. I can't even tell you every week. But I'm definitely going to be more consistent. So I am shooting for every week, though. Something every week. More than likely, it'll probably be a story time or something. I may take you guys when I go to school. You know, just something to do. Something, you know, get me out the house. And take you guys with me. And show you how much I love you. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope this wasn't too long. And I will holler at you guys next video. I love you guys. You know I mean it for real. Mwah.